What's up YouTube? I'm Candice J, Certified Life Coach. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you guys with me to Chicken Bone Beach in Atlantic City, New Jersey. And yes, I know the name sounds crazy. I've never heard of it, never been there, but today I'm taking you guys with me so we can attend Black Girl Beach Day. So you say, what is Black Girl Beach Day? This is an event on the beach in which we are celebrating women of color for all shapes and sizes. But don't get it twisted. All races, all genders, and all walks of life are welcome to come. They'll have so many activities such as surfing, volleyball, meditation, spiritual readings, double dutch competitions, and much more. So come down with me. Stay tuned. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna drive inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
2 hours later.
Finally arrived at Chicken Bone Beach, and I realized that I did know this beach. I just didn't know the name of it. Don't judge me. They had vendors along the beach selling jewelry, clothes, hair, and health products. My holy grail sunscreen, black owned of course. The Hot 97 panel with a beautiful founder of Black Girl Beach Day.
I just found out not too long ago that Martin Luther King, a lot of people were on this beach, and what happened with the beach? Anybody else know some more background on Chicken Bone Beach? Yeah. Right. So it's a beautiful day, and I'm glad that we're all here together. Do you guys have any more questions before we continue? Yeah.
How did it start?
How did what start?
Black Girl Beach Day.
Well, I know it started off with like a group of 50 people, and then every year it grew and grew and grew and got bigger.
How did the event start?
Black Girl Beach Day, the inception, the idea.
Black Girl Beach Day started because I had an idea, and I wanted to get us together.
Yes.
There's not really much things that get us together, and a lot of times when we do get together, it's always politicized. It has to be educational, it has to be teaching, it has to be this, it has to be that. We just want to have fun. We do everything for everybody.
Fact.
We just want to have fun. So and then a lot of us, we are not into doing the outdoors things as much as maybe we were in the past. So a lot more initiatives are popping up lately to get us more, back into the woods doing things, back on the beach doing things, back on the mountains, and doing different things in outdoor settings. So those things are really important because we're from the motherland and we are so disconnected from nature. So that was part of the initiative. And honestly, I just think that we need something. There's no black festivals. How many can you name? You got Roots, you got Laurel and Loud, which is owned by white people. So Afro-punk, which was sold, but it was started by a black person, so that's great. Yeah, live. We have Essence Fest. There's a few, but there's not as many, because when you think about other festivals and things, you can name Bonnaroo, you can name Coachella, you can name so many other ones.
Yep.
So we need these spaces, and I believe in it existing because not only is it a spiritual enhancer for us, but it's an economic boost.
Even when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, pretty little hand in my hand. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when the new war down, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. 'Cause there's a love in the short. I'm addicted, like DJ Love, addicted, I'm addicted, addicted, I'm addicted, I'm addicted. Just can't get enough, get enough, get enough.
Drop that, y'all. Drop that, y'all.